Welcome to class 10th B, I should say, and officially I am your class teacher. Fine. Section A, Mamta ma'am is the class teacher. Section C, Prince sir is the class teacher. So we three are there for you all, and unofficially I am there always, right? So these things are to be taken care of, and you have to take care of the what should I say, timetable regularly, and the same things will be given to 10th A as well as 10th C. Nothing different will be given, yes, but it is going to be a one-to-one interaction, and I want these many students should interact me regularly as per the classes is concerned. So yesterday we were solving the a worksheet related to modals, if you remember, children. Do you all remember? There are hardly a handful of 10 students in my class today.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So today we are going to have an interactive session and we are going to solve the exercise, right? Okay. And one more question paper I will be just now floating into by taking the permission of Vice Principal ma'am to your school WhatsApp group. That is not of this year, the pattern is not of this year, but the questions are very important, right? These questions you have to solve it. Children, see, question will be the same, only the pattern is going to little bit be different because of this corona period and all, right? So why I am giving these question papers, these are really very important and you should solve it so that you can know that what has to be done and what has not to be done. So if you all remember, you all have written the question, the things in the copy yesterday. You have taken a screenshot, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So shall we start? All the students in my class, Bhavi, Harsh, Harshit, Karan, Molly, all have taken the screenshot yesterday or not?
No, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. Chalo, let's start our class. This is your practice worksheet. Oh shit. Those who are not taken, I would like to ask them to take the screenshot first. And hardly tell students, you can't switch on your videos, dear. Wherever you are sitting, I don't bother about that. But please switch on your videos. 10 students are there in my class, 11. Shame on me. Prajwal has joined. Prajwal is not there in B section. Prajwal?
Yes, ma'am. B में हूँ मैं.
You are in B section?
Yes, ma'am.
Got it. You're in there. Sonal has joined. Sonal, good morning. Sonal? Good morning, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Those who are joining now, just say at least good morning and tell your name so that I can give you the attendance, or else tata bye-bye.
Good morning, ma'am. Sonal Jain.
Thank you. I know you. Okay. Those who have not taken the screenshot, please do it fast so that we can start solving. Okay. Wait. It is not finished. Question number 3, 4, 5. Question number 3, 4, 5. Question number 6, 7, 8, 9. I hope so now done. So shall we start? Okay. First question you will be solving. I won't be interfering in it. Question number 2 we were solving yesterday. We will do it once again. Right? So let us see. So one by one I will be asking you all the questions, right? First question to Prajwal. Prajwal?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Can you give me the first answer? Prachi dash work hard as 1 week is left for her CA final examination. 3 words are there, 3 modals are there. Have to, has to, or had to. Have to.
Had to.
Had to.
Yes, ma'am.
No, beta. It is going to be has to. Check out. Okay. Then
Yes, ma'am, has to.
has to. Please write down the correct answer also. We dash borrow money as there was lack of funds. Sonal. Sonal.
We have to. Yes, ma'am. And we have to borrow money as there was lack of funds.
Beta, try to understand the meaning of the sentence. Sonal. We, if you are saying have, just think about it. We have to. हमने किया, borrow, पैसा उधार लिया, as there was lack of funds. But when we take borrow, जब हमारी मजबूरी होती है, right? Okay, Sonal?
Yes.
So should be we had to, हमें लेना पड़ा, we had to borrow money as there was lack of funds, right? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So always children understand the meaning of the sentence. Fine. Then all the children of class 10 will dash go to the principal's office to collect their mark sheets. All the children of class 10 will dash go to the principal's office to collect their mark sheet. I will call the name beta. Punya Baradia.
Yes, ma'am.
Punya.
Have to.
The children of class 10 will have to go to the principal's office to collect their mark sheets. Is it like that you want to say, Punya?
Yes, ma'am.
You are 100% correct, Punya. Then we come to the next one. Nowadays, the women have dual responsibilities as they dash work at home and office as well. मेरे जैसे. Nowadays, the women have dual responsibilities as they dash work at home and office as well. I want the answer from Harshali Kaswa. Harshali. 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 Those who are entering into my class, they will say good morning, ma'am, and tell their names. Otherwise, I will not put present. Harshali, are you not there in the class? She will get a nice one from me. Karan.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, bacha. Tell me the answer of D.
Nowadays, the women have dual responsibility as they.
What will come? Has to, had to, have to.
as they have to work. Have to.
Have to. So my point of view is you have to understand the importance of the sentence, the need of the sentence, the need of the hour, right? Next, E. The government dash gave up as Anna Hazare was determined to fight corruption in his own way. The government, right? I want the answer from Nandika.
Yes, ma'am. The government had to give up as Anna Hazare was determined to fight corruption in his own way.
Correct answer. Good job. F. F is Rakesh dash work hard to clear his exam this time. Rakesh dash. Right? I want the answer from Bhavi. 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 Bhavi beta. Acha, she is having a problem of. Bhavi, answer me. Has to. If I said na. Yes, correct answer, Bhavi. Bhavi, you have any problem in your fine. Next is after Bhavi, Adeshwar. Adeshwar.
Yes, ma'am.
G. G.
Yes, ma'am.
Bolo.
Karthik had to help his mother as all their servants were on leave.
Karthik, pardon please, had to. Did you say had to?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you are correct, beta. H. H will be, answer will be given by Harsh Bhavna. Harsh.
Yes, ma'am.
Give me the answer.
What is the G answer?
H. Garima.
Yes, ma'am. Garima. Garima had go to the market to buy the grocery as the guests are arriving now.
Garima. Acha, just let me know, beta. According to what you have said, Garima dashed go to the market to buy the grocery as the guests are arriving. Had to. जाना पड़ेगा. उसको जाना पड़ा. Right? If we say it in Hindi, the meaning will come as उसको जाना पड़ा. Right? Because the guest arrived now. Garima has to go to the market. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Ash, clear? Huh? Please write the correct answer.
Yes, ma'am.
The masons dash complete the construction today. The masons dash complete the construction today. Mason मतलब जो labor होते हैं. So dash complete the construction today. This answer will be given by Molly Lunawat. Molly Lunawat.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Please give me the answer.
Ma'am, has to.
Has to. देखो लेबर की मजबूरी होती है जब उनके ठेकेदार उन पे चढ़ जाते हैं तो they have to, the masons have to complete the construction today. Got it, Molly?
Yes, ma'am.
Please write the correct answers. Huh? See, Prerna cannot accompany them as she dash went up with her work. The answer will be given by Harshit.
Yes, ma'am.
J beta J.
Seema cannot accompany them as she
Prerna cannot accompany them as she dash went up with her work. What will come, beta?
had to.
She has to. Okay. Harshit?
Yes.
Who has joined just now? Let me know, please. Is any new child? Kushal Khajanchi. Okay. And anyone else? Anyone else? No, na? Akshat Malu also I saw. Akshat Malu, you have joined just now. Akshat Malu and Kushal Khajanchi will give me the question number 3 answer. Kushal?
Yes, ma'am.
Be given by you from your side.
Ma'am, I'm
So, Kushal, give me 3 answers, A, B and C. Ram dash keep his word as he dash repay all his loan. He dash be 17 next week. You have to set them with modals. Yes, Kushal, can you give me the answer, please? Answer. Kushal or Akshat, any one of you. Who can give me the answer? Akshat Malu or Kushal Khajanchi, both of you. You have entered into my class late. I want the answer from your side. Akshat. Now what happened? Don't write in the chat box. I said it should be an interactive session. Ma'am, my network was off on again. That's why I'm not attending class correctly. Oh. Nice answers. Akshat, can you give me the answer, please? Kushal has lots of problem. Akshat, are you there or not? I would not put apps present. Yes, Nandika, would you like to tell me the answers? Nandika?
Yes, ma'am. Ram should keep his word as he has to repay all his loans. He will be 17 next week. I am certain that you would see that how successfully he has.
Yes.
1 minute, ma'am.
Beta D is written, a blank is not given. So I'm certain that you
would see. Sorry, could see.
nahi,
I'm certain.
will see that.
Will see that how successfully he has.
That is not a blank. The blank came by mistake. He has accomplished his mission.
May he live long.
Correct.
You need not worry. Your
money is safe. Right? Yes. So let us repeat it once again. All of you write the answers. Repeat it again.
Ram should keep his word as he has to repay all his loans. He will be 17 next week. I am certain that you will see that how successfully he has accomplished his mission. May he live long. You need not worry. Your money is safe.
Good. I hope so. All have written the correct answers. Now, Sonal.
Yes, ma'am.
In the same manner, give me the answer for 4th paragraph. Same way. Complete para. A person with a fragile ego.
Please repeat that.
What happened, Sonal? Any confusion? Any confusion, beta? Sonal, any confusion? Sonal. Fine. Punya?
Yes, ma'am.
You be ready with your 5th paragraph. Sonal? Waiting for your answer. Sonal? Chalo, I am telling the answer. Do it fast. I cannot waste time. A person with a fragile ego would take anything you say personally. They not only have a hard time ahead, but may also feel insulted. They can get hurt, and in turn they can injure others. They are called sadists who can certainly mar others' reputation. I repeat, a person with a fragile ego would take anything you say personally. They not only have a hard time ahead, but may also feel insulted. They can get hurt, and in return they can injure others. They are called sadists who can certainly mar others' reputation. Clear? 5th one, Punya Baradia.
Yes, ma'am.
Please.
In India, the death toll due to road accident has increased drastically. Most of them
Excuse me. Please repeat it once.
Yes, ma'am.
Please repeat it once again. In India. In
India, the death toll due to road accidents has increased drastically. Most of them. Ma'am, I think the blank is by mistake. I think the sentence is correct.
Would have been averted. Most of them
could
have.
have
बोलो बोलो.
been avoided.
Wider
Road users should be taught
ought to
separate
ought
ought to
ought ought to be taught.
ought to be taught separate lanes for very heavy vehicles need to be made. More stringent laws may be enforced while ensuring licenses. If we don't follow this, the degraded society like Earth will fail the next day.
Now I will repeat the answer once again. In India, the death toll due to road accidents has increased drastically. Most of them could have been averted. मतलब averted मतलब हम avoid कर सकते थे. Wider road sorry. Wider road awareness among road users could be taught. Separate lanes of heavy vehicles should be made. More stringent laws, right, must be enforced while issuing licenses. If we do not follow this, the regarding society like ours will fail the next day. Clear? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Children, today I am going to float one question paper in the class WhatsApp group, right? Today is Tuesday, it's the day for English. Every week, every day has been allotted for one question paper. You just set your time for 3 hours exactly. Sit in a particular place, set your timer, start solving. Try to solve it so that you can understand and rectify yourself as per your convenience. But I know the writing speed will obviously increase your preparation for your examination. I know you might have prepared 50%, no issues. Give that much only, but at least set your timer and start solving it. As much as question papers you are going to solve, children, you will be more and more confident, right? And today you have to solve it and send it by before you go to sleep. I want the PDFs in the class WhatsApp group which we all are having. Am I very clear to everyone? Every day you will be getting one question paper in the morning hours. In the evening hours, you have to solve it. Children, it is mandatory. Please do take care of it. I'm showing you the rest of the answers. Just take a click so that you can write it down. 2, 3, 4, 5 we have done. 6, 7, 8, take a screenshot. Nine, 10. Who has joined late? Let me know, please. I will not give attendance then. Rishabh has joined. Who else? Give me fast attendance. This is Shreyans Chopra, Shreyans Jain. Which one? Shreyans Chopra. Darshan Surana. Darshan Surana is not there in B section. Devanshu Botra is there. Priyam, not present. Sanskar Doshi, not present. Ayush Kakaria, not present. Rakshita, not present. Gitika, not present. Himanshu, not present. Good enough. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Bye, beta.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Hmm? Chalo, solve it today and send it.
Thank you, ma'am.
Solve the question paper and send the PDF, right?
Okay, ma'am.